Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes network cable unplugged error in Windows 11 and Windows 10 fix. First method is type ncpad to cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click network adapter, disable and re-enable device. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click network adapter, click properties. Select QoS packet scheduler, click configure. Click advanced tab, click speed and duplex. Select 100 Mbps half duplex, if same error still exists select 10 Mbps full duplex. Third method is type cmd in Windows search bar, right-click run as administrator. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.